SR Blackbeard and Sec Roger.
O malamig lang. Nakatotok yung electric fan sa akin eh. Mawi ha, mabawasan pa isipin mo. Holo chiwaw. Holo chiwaw, holo chiwaw. Sabi nga ni Boss Leaves. Mga classmate ata to kay Boss Leaves ha. Si Boss Leaves ang aking mentor guys. Napakabait niya ni Boss Leaves. Solid yan. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SR Blackbeard. SR Blackbeard guys. SR 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan na. Sec Roger. May manga chance talaga dito guys. Sec Roger. Dalawa ng sec lumabas ha. Hoping na nandyan yung manga guys.